Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Chrome lag problem. Open your Chrome browser, click on the menu and open Settings. Now you will go to the System section. There, disable the switch, use graphics acceleration when available. You must click on Relaunch so that Google restarts and you see the change. Now again from the menu, click on Extensions and then select Manage Extensions. Here, deactivate all available extensions which can affect the loading of pages. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.